Come make some Mexican style chicken and lentil soup with me. So, pollo con lentejas. First, we're gonna take the marinated chicken and we're going to sear it. I have some oil in the pan. Here we have 6 chicken drumsticks marinated. I will show you the spices that I used to marinate them with. And then I put a little bit of oil and just rubbed it all in really good. After a few minutes, I flip the chicken over. After about 2 to 3 more minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take these out, and then we're going to start cooking down some veggies. Alright, take the chicken out and set it aside. Now I'm going to go in here with garlic. I added the garlic, then I'm going to cook that for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to slowly add in the green chilies. Oops, here they are. The green chilies, the onion, the celery, and then some zucchini. Added in the onions and the serrano chilies. I now added the celery and the zucchini. Cook this for a few minutes. Now it's time to add the chopped potato, chopped tomato, and some chopped cilantro. Mix everything together. Alright, for spices, we're going to add garlic salt, some black pepper, some adobo seasoning, the one with pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and a little pinch of oregano. Mix all of this up and cook it down for a few minutes. This is what it looks like after a few minutes. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of lentils. These were soaking for a few minutes. I do not know what kind of lentils these are. These are just what I grew up with. I call them the green lentils, but if you go to any American supermarket, this is what you'll find. I mixed in the lentils. Now I'm going to add the chicken back in and then add water. I placed the chicken on top and now I'm going to add water. I don't even know how much water it is. I'm going to add some more until I feel like it's all covered up nicely, because now the chicken has to finish cooking in here, the lentils have to cook in here, so you want to make sure you have enough water. I added 2 bowls of water, so now I'm going to let this come to a boil. Then I'm going to put the lid on it and put it on sim for about an hour. Then I'll come check on the soup. You just want the chicken to be cooked all the way and the lentils to be cooked all the way. Then you can check for seasonings, make sure there's enough salt. So this is on the verge of coming to a boil, and I forgot about the carrot. So I'm just gonna, plop some baby carrots in there. I should have chopped them up like all the other veggies, but oh well. The soup has come to a boil. I'm going to stir this, put the lid on it, and let it be on sim for about an hour. Just cook it on low for about an hour. After an hour, the soup is done. It's ready to eat. I'm gonna let it cook down a little bit more because I like my soup more chunky, and this still has too much water for my taste. And then the last thing I do, this is optional, I squeezed 1 whole lemon, so I add that in there, mix it up, and I'm just gonna cook it probably 15 more minutes to let it dry out some more, and that's it. Then you can enjoy. I hope you guys try this out and let me know what you think. Please leave me some comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you again.